You wake up, check your phone, go to work. At the end of the month, a number appears in your bank account. You call it your salary. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You didn't decide that number. Your boss didn't really decide it either. And no, it's not based on how hard you work. So who actually decides how much your salary is worth? Right now, this question matters more than ever because prices are rising, jobs feel unstable, and millions of people are working harder yet falling behind. Let's start with a simple story. Imagine a small town with one factory. Everyone works there. The owner pays $10,000 a month. Life is affordable. People survive. Now, another factory opens. They need workers. Suddenly, labor is scarce. Wages rise to $15,000. Nothing magical happened. No motivational speech. No productivity seminar. Just demand. That's the first layer of salary truth. Your pay starts in a market, not a performance review. But this is only the surface. Because here's where it gets strange. Two people can do the same job. Same hours, same skills. One earns double. Why? Because salaries are not priced like effort. They're priced like leverage. Leverage means how hard you are to replace. If 10 people can do your job tomorrow, your salary has a ceiling. If only one person can do it, the ceiling disappears. This is why some jobs feel overpaid and others feel insultingly low. It's not fairness, it's scarcity. Now let's go one level deeper. Even scarcity doesn't fully explain your salary because there's a silent force in the background, one that doesn't show up in job interviews. Money supply. When new money enters the system, it doesn't reach everyone equally. It enters through banks, corporations, governments. Those closest to the source feel rich first. Asset prices rise. Profits grow. Executives get bonuses. Salaries, they lag. Always. This is why your paycheck feels slower than inflation. It's not bad luck. It's timing. Money moves like water downhill.